It's a good idea to prepare the markers and the special colorable markers in advance. It's time to try coloring one of the unique markers. Coloring them with either colored pens or pencils is fine. Once your child is done coloring the special marker, if they place it on the book and let the lens read it, there! The baby Brachiosaurus appears on the screen just as they colored it. That's pretty cool, right? Oh no! That carnivorous dinosaur seems pretty hungry. Jamie is attracting the dinosaur away from his team using the meat-shaped marker. Attaboy. This is cool. When you put the magnifying glass over the fossils, you can see a living dinosaur. Okay, clearly Jamie is enjoying this dinosaur book. I wonder if he'll like the other books just as much. Let's find out. If you want to play with another book, tap the menu option in the top left corner. Then, select the button, Play Another Book. Well done! At the back of each book is a very helpful little pocket. This pocket is to hold the markers, keeping everything organized. Jamie is now exploring space by himself. Guess he doesn't need me anymore. Jamie, that's an awesome spaceship! Do you want to use another colorable marker? Don't worry, each character has 4 blank templates to color, and if you think you're going to run out, a simple photocopy will solve that problem. There is so much content available for your child and over 160 interactive activities. Each page has different content your children can have fun with. On top of that, the ARpedia digital content is different from the book content, so your children get even more.